I got the quad lock mounts for the handlebar for my phone. So there's the handlebar thing, and then the case for my phone because I got a S20 FE. And the other thing, this box here, are the frame sliders to go on the side of the bike. I have one on this side, and I'd already bought some, but I was stupid when I put them in because I didn't realize this part was turning, and I thought it was supposed to stay like that. I didn't realize that I needed to screw this in there. So one day when I was riding, it came off while I was riding, so now I need to replace it. I ain't got crash bar money right now, so this won't have to do. So yeah, I'm gonna take this out and put this one on here and show you what that looks like real quick. Also, just before we do that, I want to tell you guys that these things are awesome. These are Allen wrench. This is an Allen wrench key thing. The size that I needed for this did not come with my kit, so I ended up buying this, and I could use, you know, as you see, there's all these different sizes on here. So this is an amazing little tool here. The one I bought came with two. I got it from Amazon. If anyone's interested, I'll put in the link in the description below. Screwed it in so tight. What is it? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Is that what it is? Come on. Oh, it's never coming out again. That's not gonna work. To do this the really hard way, and I'm gonna have to take that black screw out there, and I'm just gonna have to put this thing on here and hope that it fits the way it's supposed to. All right, it came off the way it needed. Now I just need to get it in there. Just righty tighty it on in, right? Is it in? Ha! That's what she said. And they're nice and tight. Maybe just a little more tight for extra measure. All right, cool. In. All right, great. So that part is done. Now I just have an extra couple pieces of things I probably don't need unless I lose this other one sometime soon. So that's great. So that's done. Next, on to the quad lock install.